Welcome back, guys. Crypto channel. That I would like to show you just a quick updates for ASTER USDT trading pair with my customer Kasar. Let's dive in. All right, guys. You remember I posted the video so we can drop to the 27 block of indentation accumulation pump models. Yes, guys. Sometimes we won't believe something will happen, but of course I understand. Yesterday it was just a silly insider move from the White House. United States because we saw a lot of OG Bitcoin holders just magically 30 minutes before the Trump release 100% tariffs on China opened a huge short position 30 minutes before they release this announcement. It's kind of weird, right? So yes, of course the crypto is about decentralization. Who still believe in this fancy stuff? I don't know. We trade just casino tokens, just absolutely useless casino tokens. You remember also the hype around the ASTER. So it's like hyper liquid killer. Every single cycle we got like some new token who wanna bid other token, and we start this random run like between Sol and Ethereum. It's totally two different tokens, totally two different DEXs. So what's the point to compare two of them? ASTER, I guess it was just a pure, not a manipulation, I don't like this word, just a pure marketing campaign to start promote some DEX and BNB. So nothing more. And yes, BNB pump it, BNB hype it now, but I mark we can drop to this block and the next step. Guys, you won't believe it now. The same like you won't believe we're gonna drop to $1 when we trade here 60 cents 54. So this is the next zone of interest. Imagine the smell if the ASTER will drop to that low. Also, guys, no makes sense to scream we will never drop that low. Open the chart of so promising. Now we can call it as like a scammy token, scammy DEX, DWDX. Yes, I'm not lost. I'm in unrealized losses now on DWDX because I bought on the spot. But we dump it to 5 cents. So why the ASTER can't drop on the initiation accumulation pump model? Of course it can. So guys, never say never in crypto again. So we touched the first zone of interest, like support. But only the time will show us, will we hold this line or not? Because we can't know. I'm not a fan of this marketing moves, like with ASTER. So from nowhere, some two projects rebranded, build another one, the third one, at some 21, the Uzi Labs, Binance invest in these projects, and now they run the new DEXs, and it's kind of weird. So from nowhere, like a hyperliquid competitor. I don't think so. It's some organic move. So this is a support line. Let's talk about just the charts. This is a support line, and 60 cents, 54 cents. This is the next step for ASTER. So if we will see the deeper correction, this is the next step. It's not necessary, so we will see that deeper correction. Maybe just a range. Range usually forms something like this one, where that's something like here. If this is just a range, this one here is a 0.5. This is a deviation at the bottom. The next steps should be 264, 275. So if this is a range, if we mark like this one, premium discount zone, extended right, so this one. If we talk only about a local one, so impulse, trade around the equilibrium, rejected equilibrium, dump, this is deviation at the bottom. Hold the line at minus 0.61 low fib at the bottom, and the next step should be deviation at the top, 242, 280. So that's it. If not, guys, the next option is all of these levels or 60 cents 54. That's it. I don't see any reason why we have to drop lower. Why? Because I posted a Compare the COVID dump liquidations 24 hours was like 3 billion, and yesterday we saw the 19 billion liquidation. So the COVID dump crash, panic on the market, not even close. What happened yesterday was just Trump tariffs in China. Is it so crazy move? So we dumped like 19 billion liquidations. That was the pandemic in the world. And now just an announcement about tariffs. What will be with the markets if we will see the World War III officially? Oh, I can't even imagine. I can't even imagine. And by the way, the regulation will not save this market because insiders will be all the time with us. So let's talk about the indicators. ADZ direction. This is still not accumulation, guys, unfortunately. A daily time frame. 12 time frame, yes. Finally, we see the accumulation. All this time period, it was a distribution zone. Here, finally, October 10, we dump it to this one, to drop to accumulation zone on ADZ finally. Still not accumulation zone on direction. That's why I will be not surprised if we drop lower. Let me show you the 4-hour time frame. No signals to buy on direction, guys, yet. This is a October 10 drop, and we form a divergence. But it's 4-hour time frame. So technically now we're just in the middle. All that time period I showed you two videos, it was not a time to buy. It was a time to sell. Now we're just in the middle. I can say it's once again the good time to buy. So sometimes, guys, better skip the projects. Better skip the project which just drive by marketing. Take profit indicator here. 12 time frame, I guess, no data, yes. 4-hour time frame. Here people won't believe, so we drop to the buy line. Buy line, $1.24 tested. Fundamental value of this token is 93 cents. Take profit line is $2.46. Exit line, $2.78. 1-hour time frame. Most likely we're going to test again $1.18. Fundamental value it's at zero level, 88 cents, 87. I don't think so. We're going to drop to 88 cents once again, but more than real to test $1.18 or even $1.13. Why? Because we can close the 50% of this week. It's weird. It's weird. It's so weird when I see this price movement. So why we never seen the, spike? 19 billion liquidation, but short position. And why we not skyrocket like 20K in 1 week, for example, one candle? Why we never seen this one? Because it's much easier to dump a spot position. With a short squeeze, you can't drag the short. You can drag the spot. It's weird. So we check the market's mood, guys. This is capitulation 4-hour time frame. Still a free on 12 time frame. This is not bullish one. 9 hours ago. So it was a lapse, baked ASTER delay, stage 2, airdrop, seeding potential data. Come on. What's the point? Delay the A-drop. Of course you delay the A-drop because you need to put the price a little bit higher. And after that, the stage 2 is alive and we start distributing and selling you again because we got insiders who get an A-drop from the ASTER. It's kind of weird, guys. Market's more in still a free zone on 12 time frame, even on 12 time frame. 12 time frame markets move. Yesterday we saw the signal to money power indicator, money inflow. It's a good one. We dump to the bottom on the money power on the daily. Also good one, but without any money inflow. That's why, guys, I would be not surprised if we will test this week or the next one till middle of October at least $1.13, or we can drop even to 88.65 to the zero level to test about. Oh, it's kind of weird, guys. Trade on the last indicator is nothing on a daily 12 time frame. Sell, buy back, still no take profit signal. So here was a sell, take profit, buy, and drop. So now nothing, guys, nothing. So no rush, no rush. And just be careful with the open at longer short positions. Just better wait, and skip some tokens, skip some shady tokens. If you believe in ASTER, you can track all of accumulation zones. I will be not surprised, guys, if the ASTER at the end will be even the closer like a project. And 60 cents is 54. It's probably the more than comfortable price for accumulation, but you can accumulate even now if you believe in it. It's just a range. Guys, I hope you like this video. I highly recommend you go and check the first video about ASTER, what I posted recently. If you'd like to trade with my customer success, what I showed in this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.